at the Charleston Dirty Birds. Got the pepperoni roll. Originally from West Virginia. Do a pretty cool thing here where you get strike out, throw toast in the crowd loose. Give it a taste. Okay, so real quick, I also grab the home run punch. I think it's rum base.
Oh, that's okay, man.
Quite nice. Try with a little Texas Pete.
Yeah, I was back before they had those full face masks like that too. Yeah. That's awesome.
It is a little bit dry. Alright, so there's a lot of bread. Naturally, it's going to rank low on the slop meter. Pretty good though. Highly recommend putting hot sauce. I recommend putting hot sauce or something else to wet it up, unless you got a really wet throat.